Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I would like to share with you a really nice and interesting tool from Sanrenmu. This is of course a Chinese knife maker and also tool maker. Nicely displayed, proudly displayed that they are in business from 1998, and the name and also the model number of the product is here. So 6050 LUF PH64. The website, of course, you can buy these on different sites like Earbest, eBay, probably also direct from Sanrenmu, but I never bought direct from them. So I will, as always, I will try to provide a link where you can get it, and let's see what we have here. So the knife comes in a really nice package. You have also an option here to put it on your wall or maybe on a presentation stand. Maybe you are a business owner or you are selling them, so you can always good to have these kind of packages where you can store it in your warehouse, but also you can display them in your showroom. So really nice. So let's see the quick pamphlet here. So good to see that they will provide you a display with all the tools. The description is also in English and in Chinese. Let's see what we have here. So these are the quick product data. So we have a blade length of 5 centimeters or 1.97 inches. The overall length of the knife is 14.2 centimeters or 5.59 inches, and the weight of the knife is 73 grams or 2.57 ounces. Really lightweight and functional, in my opinion. Really great tool to have, and also to gift if you have a friend or family member who does not want to carry a dedicated knife, but maybe multi-tools, maybe some Leathermans are too big for him, or just he don't want to carry them or don't have the pockets, or maybe these kind of carrying options, he doesn't like them. Then this is really unobtrusive, lightweight and small but functional. So let's see what we have on the tool or the knife itself. So firstly, of course, we see here that it is a folding construction. We have two main blades or main tools. So firstly, let's see the knife. This is a locking, so no friction, but a full functional liner lock here, nicely ground with a detent ball, so it will hold still in the closed position. Also we have here the product number, Sanrenmu logo here, and nice to see that they credited the designer, whose name is Maya. Okay, so the first tool was the knife, of course. The second tool is also locking. So this is nice to have in an emergency situation in a car. This is a cord cutter or seat belt cutter. Then you have also your screwdrivers, your screwdriver, belt cutter, Phillips screwdriver, wire stripper, chisel scraper blade, and also LED light, which is really nice to have in this size of compact package, because if you know, lots of tools are basically just tools. They do not offer you any kind of light. There are some Swiss knives that have a little LED light, but so this is the switch here. So yes, this is just a small LED light here, but for those emergency situations it is really nice to have. Even if it's not that bright, but of course it is still on a budget and will provide you lots of features. And of course you have your glass breaker, which is always good to have on these kind of tools. Maybe just put them on your car keys, or maybe in a safe pocket in the car, and then you have a tool you can grab if you need it. So a carabiner here, so you can put it on your keys, of course, or your backpack. And really is nice to see that they made a really nice compact all-around package. So this is probably minimum that you can have and be prepared. So the 5cm blade is sufficiently long to undertake any kind of small chores, opening packages, maybe cutting some fruit, food of course. We have a nice chisel ground blade with a nice secondary bevel, and it's really excellently well made, so you can open it with one hand, with gloves or without gloves. This nice opening hole is for that excellent. And also the belt cutter, it will give you even more purchase. Maybe in extreme situations your hands are wet, or you can open it without a problem, and you will not hurt yourself, because in a critical situation, when you are using the knife to cut yourself loose from the maybe belt in the car, seat belt, then you can cut yourself. But with a designated belt cutter, it is much more safer and probably even more efficient. Okay, so this was the Sanrenmu 6050 LUF. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.